Hey guys, thanks for checking out Brandswagon. Today we're going to go over one of our most popular services. It's merchandise. So right now we're looking at Ready Strong Meals. This is a client of ours. We built his website on Shopify. Runs a really great and delicious meal prep company. See how tasty his food is, right? He was doing this kind of on his own before, and we streamlined everything through Shopify. So if you have a food business, you have an online meal prep business, Shopify is a great solution. Right? You can add to cart. You can purchase with PayPal. And if you notice these pop-ups here, these are really, really great social proof. These are his actual clients, Jersey City, that are popping up, previous clients. There's a lot of studies out there that show that these pop-ups increase your conversion rates. So, right, when you get a customer that comes on here, especially if they're a first-time customer, these pop-ups really help show social proof that this is an established company, it's a credible company. Chances are whoever's looking at this lives in the Hoboken or Jersey City area, and they're seeing actual customers purchase and pop up. So if you're interested in that type of pop-up or service, we do offer that as well too. And we can add that to any website. So you can just drop us a line at info@brandswagon.com. But for today's video, we're going to show you one of our most popular services, which is swag, hence brand swaggin or merchandise. So a lot of companies, whether they're food, their gym, they're a brand, they're an influencer, they love making merchandise, right? So this is what we created for Ready Strong Meals. You can see that all we did was use his logo and we popped it on his t-shirts, his hoodies, women's crop tops, even leggings, hats, right? So we only use drop shipping services. So we partner with a company. For instance, this is partnered through Printful. And when a customer places an order for anything here, the order goes directly to Printful in their warehouse. It's either in Los Angeles, it might be in North Carolina. It gets printed on demand and embroidered and sent to your customer with your branding and your label on it, right? That's the beauty of drop shipping, is that you don't have to hold inventory, you don't have to buy anything, and basically you just have to market this. These are a really popular product, these dad hats. So if I click quick view, right, you can see it comes in different colors. You can embroider it. You can embroider it in different colors. The quality comes out really, really nice. They have a lot of options that you can choose from. And not just apparel, guys. We do, Printful integrates and does home goods like mugs, canvases, all types of apparel products. You can get really fancy, even creative. We've seen sites with like skateboard decks. So depending on whatever your brand is, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of it is you don't have to hold inventory. And this is a nice way to add another business channel by selling merchandise. And all we need to do is just create the store for you and the integration, right? So if I click add to cart, and I want to purchase it, subtotal checkout. And this is the standard Shopify checkout page. You can see the total is $25. We built in the shipping price here, right? So the total all-in cost probably is around $20 with shipping and handling from LA. Now you might think to yourself, that's a little bit expensive. If you wholesale this product on your own, it might cost you $8, $9, $10, but you'd have to do a run of 100 hats. And you're not going to sit at home with an inventory and boxes of hats everywhere. And when a shipment comes in, you have to go to the post office to ship it out, right? This is a much easier method. Okay. So even though that your spread or your profit margin is $5, if the cost is 20, you don't really have to buy inventory. There's no risk. and it's kind of set it and forget it. The other thing is you can mark it up. Now, if he sold this for, assuming that the cost is $20 with shipping, if he sold it for 30, his profit margin is $10, right? It's a really good profit margin on 30 bucks, about 30%. And again, it's completely drop shipped. So let's go back to his merch page. Right, so we have hats, we have women's clothing. And this is a really nice way to add this to your website. We can add this onto Shopify, WordPress, basically any website. We can do embeds. And even if it's just one product, you just want to sell one hat or you're doing a promo, we can do that as well. This is really good for promotions and even contests or giveaways, right? So let's say you run a contest or giveaway on Instagram and you have a client that or a customer that wins one of these really cute, pink hats here, and you have to give it away. You get the Instagram customer's address, and instead of having to go to the post office, mail this out, you could just log into your backend here and order it for the customer right through the web. It's very easy and seamless. You can even get really fancy and set up integrations where if certain triggers are met, somebody wins something or whatever the scenario is, it will automatically send the prize to the customer. And if you're looking for something like that, if you want to set up a custom integration, talk to us and we can probably set that up for you. Now, lastly, we're just going to go over some of the products that you can look at. All right, so this is Printful.com. This is our drop shipping company. There's a bunch of these companies online, right? There's Printify.com, Printaura. Printful is probably one of the most popular ones. And basically, they offer all these amazing products that you can customize. You can put your logo on them. Some of them are fully customizable, where you can print on the entire garment, like this backpack or these iPhone accessories. And again, we can just drop ship everything. We can set it up on your website with the initial designs. And once it's set up, when a customer places an order, it gets sent out to Printful. They print it out. They send the package with your labeling on it, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. You get deposited the money, right? So let's take a look at some of their products, right? So they have clothing. They got a ton of hats, accessories. You can see there's socks, there's phones, there's backpacks, home and living, and collections. So you can get really creative. There's new products here, sportswear. Athleisure is a really hot topic right now. So sweatpants, comfortable clothing, workwear. You can do aprons, streetwear. What I love about the streetwear is they have a lot of Champion products now. Beachwear, flip-flops. Right? So let's look at some of their new products. So you got masks. Mugs are always popular. Backpacks, phone cases. Here's one of these all-over print bombers. So what that means is you can print on the entire garment, which is really cool. They even have earrings here. So I go back. I look at their streetwear. You got your hats. You got your vintage dad cap hat. This is a really popular product right here. Fanny packs. Okay, if you want to go a little bit of retro. Men's championship sweatshirt, right? They're a little pricey, but Printful stepped up their game by bringing in Champion as a partner. This is a really cool product. Embroidered Champion bomber. If you want to embroider your logo right here, looks really nice. Embroidered jacket, another one here. Snapbacks. We do a ton of snapbacks for our clients. Champion t-shirt, Champion hoodie, all types of hats, bucket hats, beanies, right? Let's go back. Let's look at a couple more items. Let's look at sportswear. Another popular category. So you got your women's clothing, yoga, right? You can use this for men's as well too. Brazilian jiu-jitsu, martial arts, all over long shorts. This is a great product for athletic brands, visors. There's a lot of stuff. Sports bras, right? If you're looking to get into athleisure, a lot of fun stuff. All over print drawstring bags. All right, we'll look at one more category, gifts. So you can do posters too. You can do canvases, frame posters. Again, mugs are super popular. Even baby one pieces, totes. These are great for retail. iPhone cases, right? So there's a lot of possibilities, a lot of ideas that you can do here. Socks are always fun, pillows. This product has glitter inside the phone case. And remember, you can print almost anything on top of it. So you make it customizable for your brand. This is a really fun product too. The Black Magic mug, when it heats up, it turns a different color. And an apron. So again, the possibilities are endless here. Building your swag site, this is something that we specialize in. We can build out a Shopify store. We can connect it with Printful or any other drop shippers, and we'll create all your designs for you. So what we'll do as a service is we'll create the website, the design, and we'll have your store up and running where you really don't have to do anything. You just have to promote it. So if you're interested, drop us a line. You can hit us up at Brandswagon or info@brandswagon.com.